Hello and welcome to step number 4, the advanced step. At this point, I will be assuming that you have gone through the previous 3 steps and set up your Builderall Business account, gotten all of your affiliate links switched out, and now your passive income system is ready to rock and roll. It's up, it's live, it's ready to send traffic to it. And in this step, I'm going to show you one real quick tip that will help you increase your conversion rate. And what that means is that some people will inevitably come through your passive income system and they won't want to sign up, they won't want to get Builderall, they won't want to do anything. And one of the small disconnects that we've found is that people will come into your system. They will see this right here at the top. They'll see that it says you've been invited to the passive income system by, and then it'll be a different name than me, depending on who invited you to use the system, who shared their copy to you. And when people see that that name is different than the person in the videos, sometimes they tend to think, oh, this must not be right. I must have gotten a different version and it's not full, it's not complete. And one of the ways that you can address that is, if you go to, you should be on this page right here, step 4, and go down, and if you click this button, I'll edit my Builderall name, it's going to take you to this page in your Builderall Business account, the account info page. If the button doesn't work for whatever reason, just go to your Builderall Business account and click on your profile right here, and then click account info, and that will take you to the exact same page right here. And now one of the things that you can do is to go in here, and it should say your name, whatever your name is. Say you're John Smith. And you can go in and say perhaps Team Matty Miles affiliate John Smith. Or you could even say, you don't even have to use my name at all. You could say, the passive income system affiliate John Smith, or enter, whatever your name is. If just put in something that will cause people to be reassured that you are in fact a official user of the system and that you have been certified to share it and have it up and live on the internet and making money for you as well. So that's just one real quick, simple, easy little trick. And once you go ahead and save that, then it'll come back over to this page here, and it should change it up here at the top. So make sure you're always double checking your work, and then re-saving your passive income system once that change has been applied, so that the name will be changed on your live version of the passive income system funnel. All right. So until next time, I hope that everybody has an amazing day. Make sure that you check out the next video below, where I'm going to kick you guys over to my boy Liam James K, and he is going to teach you how to set up your email autoresponder and connect it to your funnel. If you don't know what an email autoresponder is, it is a way that you can retarget everybody that comes to your passive income system and decided not to set up their Earn Easy Commissions account, get their Builderall account, get their UDIMI account. For all of the people that don't take action and do that, they will have entered their email address, as you will see in the next video. When you add that step, they will have entered their email address. And then with the Mailing Boss system, you can retarget all of those people by setting up this autoresponder that will send emails to them every single day automatically. And that is really the beauty of it, is that you don't have to sit down every single morning and write out an email and send it to 300 different people, and then 400 different people, 500, as your list grows. You can just sit down and collectively write a few emails, which, good news, we already did for you. All those emails are written. Liam will be showing you how to go in and set up your mailing boss so that your name and everything will be attached to all of those. It'll be in your Builderall account, and all of those emails will be retargeting your list of subscribers. So be sure to check that out below. And finally, I just wanted to say thank you on my behalf for using the passive income system. I hope that you really enjoy it. I hope that it starts creating all kinds of money for you from your laptop at home or on vacation or wherever you may be. And if you would like to get a hold of me, please feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at TheMattandMackShow. And just send me either a personal message on Facebook or a direct message on Instagram. People message me every single day and have questions that I try to get back to at least within an hour is when I try to respond to everybody. So if I don't get back to you immediately, don't worry, I will get back to you. I have a lot of questions that come in all the time, but I personally love to help other people out, and it helps me to grow and to learn more and to go back and fix problems with the entire funnel or system. If those problems do come up, I'm here to help you out and figure out how to get through them. So please feel free to send me a direct message, as I would love to help you start creating passive income and then potentially make it to that awesome dream car offer in Builderall. If you didn't know what that was yet, it is once you get to 100 Builderall subscribers underneath you, on top of all the money that you're already making, Builderall will then give you an additional $500 per month to put towards the car of your dream to pay for your monthly lease. So that's pretty doggone cool. I think Liam just actually made it to 100 and got his first dream car check. So that is further proof for you guys that this system does work, and why you should also start using it to start chasing your dreams. All right, once again, my name is Matty Miles, and on my behalf, on Liam's behalf, and on the behalf of the Matt and Mack Show and the Passive Income System, thanks so much, and be sure to check out that video below to set up your email autoresponder with Liam. Have a great day. I'll catch you next time.